so good. Show me your heel in front of your leg like this. Perfect. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Olga and I'm a photographer from Sacramento. Today in this episode, I'm gonna use one of my favorite tools here in the studio. It's Optical Spot by Westcott that Westcott and Lindsay Adler created. I love that tool because you can get so creative. In first part of the video, I will go over what is Optical Spot and technical parts about it. If you're familiar with this tool, you can skip over to the photoshoot part. I put in the description timestamps so you can see where it begins. And keep watching till the end so you can see all 3 different cool ways I use this tool in my photoshoot. So let's get what is included. Here it's included actual body of Optical Spot and also 150mm lens that going on top. I will get in details in a minute how you actually set up everything. Also, it's included a Gobo holder and set of different Gobo. Different beautiful, amazing shapes to be super creative. And also, it's included different gels and holder for gels. So this tool gets you very creative and out of your comfort zone with some cool shots. Later on, I got one more additional tool. It's a 50mm lens. So with this 150 and 50mm, it's for different reasons. My studio is kind of small, so I cannot always put, oops, have some situation going on here. So we cannot always get lens going far away to get smaller or bigger shape. So for that reason, I use this lens. So those two, I think it's must have. The bonus tool, if you have a Canon camera, I'm Nikon shooter, so I had to get those lenses. But if you have a Canon camera, you can use your lenses for that and you doesn't need to buy anything additional. So let's get started. In my studio, I use all Profoto light. So you can have an attachment for this body for different lights that you use. Mine is Profoto, so I have this attachment and it's super easy with just those screw. You put it in and you have the ones that you use for your studio light. And just like that, you putting it on, super easy. What is super cool about this specific optical spot is those petals. Because it's 4 of them, you can create any shape you would like. You can create a little line, you can create a square, you can create rectangular, or anything you would like. So it's already super cool. If you don't have the Gobos, you can already create something with that. But Gobos are included in the kit, so you have them. Then, to put a lens, whatever lens you would like to use for that specific project, I'm going to use 150 and probably I'm going to use both of them. With this just red dot, you are putting it in. And you hear a little clicking here. And then you're ready to play with your Gobo. So first of all, you need to make sure all your petals are out. If they will not be out, then basically what is going to happen is going to cover half of your Gobo shape, and unless you want this effect, then you can do that. The way we're putting it, we have a Gobo holder, an actual Gobo. We're just putting it in here. And then you see we have different rails in here. So for that specific, to put Gobo on, we use this one. And we have different sizes from all the sides. We're choosing the more wider one. And we need to make sure this is facing the lens, not that way. And putting it smaller rail. When the light going to be on, it will get really hot, so please be careful. Don't hold it like that because it will get super hot. So you need to be careful and touch by those little tools if you want to change your Gobo style or anything. Okay, one more thing, lens. With just moving the lens, you can make your Gobo in focus or make it unfocused. So basically your lines can be super sharp or not so sharp. And as you can see, some of the petals are covering. So you're just moving them away and make sure your circle is nice and actually circle. So nothing covered, unless you want this vision, which can be super cool as well. Actually, I like that idea. So we're gonna use this. Let me introduce you my model Anna today. Thank you for coming.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited for this photo shoot and the outcome.
Yes, I'm super excited too. So with no moving a stand, that's what we get on 150mm lens. And by just changing the lens on a 50mm, that's how much we change our size of Gobo perspective. It can get super big. So whatever reason you want to do for your photo shoot, use the proper tool. I kind of like that one for my reason, so I'm gonna use the 50mm lens. For first look, we choose a Spider Woman look. So we have a spider web on a background with this Gobo look and a little spider. Little spider. Okay, let's go. This is so good. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes. Your hand slightly higher. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this one is here. Yes, like that. Perfect. Let me see. You're fully in dark now. Perfect. This hand a little bit more out. That's perfect. Yes. Love that. Perfect. Ooh, this is the one. And now we're ready for second look. For next look, I'm gonna use red gel. She's gonna be wearing red dress and red lipstick. What I love so much into photography, it's plain gray and plain white backgrounds, because like an artist has white canvas and they can create whatever they want. Same here for me. My brush is my light. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a red background using red gel from Rosco. She's gonna be a little bit more in shadow, and we're gonna use optical spot to highlight specific part of her body. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a red background, and with an optical spot, we're gonna have a slight light highlighting on her. Perfect. And now both hands somewhere in the air. So we mostly use red dress and we put the light fully highlighting her, like it's a spotlight on her. She is a rock star, like red carpet style. But then we put a black dress and use for a little slide of the light on her parts of the body. Beautiful. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Show me your heel in front of your leg like this. Perfect. And lighter this one, like just like slightly touch. Perfect. Your hip slightly more out, yes. And the legs that on the back, you slightly put it like, yes, just like that. That's perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And look forward. Forward this way. Perfect. Awesome. That's great. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. What? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. I love that. Beautiful. Give me the look in the camera. Perfect.
Oh, this pose.
That pose is awesome. I love how it's all like all red. So we red on red. With little slide of light on you. Oh, look at you! That was a hard pose.
Yeah. Hard to balance, but yeah, we got it. I love this one.
Yes. Perfect. That's a great one too. And that's a wrap! Thank you so much to my amazing model. What look was your favorite?
So I did like the red on red. I think it looked awesome. I felt like a Hollywood star.
Ooh, yes, with this slight light on you, it's for real like a Hollywood star. Guys, it was 3-look photo shoot. Please, I would love to hear what look was your favorite and what kind of photo shoot you will be interested to see in my another videos. And if you like content like that, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one.